I need to create a form template that my team can use to collect meeting notes. A form template will help ensure that the correct information is collected at all of our meetings. I also want to store all of our meeting notes on our team's Windows SharePoint Services site, so that everyone can look at the notes after the meeting. Microsoft Office InfoPath includes a sample form template for meeting notes. It looks like the sample form template collects all of the right data, but doesn't follow our corporate standard for documents. But with InfoPath, it's easy to change the form template so that it matches our corporate standards. First, I want to change the background color. I select the form template, and then select Borders and Shading from the Format menu. On the Shading tab, I can change the background color to white. Now I just have to change the title. By making these simple changes, I now have a form template that meets my needs. All I need to do now is publish this form template to our SharePoint site so that everyone can start taking meeting notes. Before I can publish my form template, I have to save it. To publish this form template, I click the File menu and then click Publish. In the Publishing wizard, I select to a SharePoint server with or without InfoPath Forms services, and then click Next. Then I enter the address of my SharePoint site. Because I want to store all of the forms based on this form template in a document library, I'll select this option. I want to use a new document library, so I select this option. I'll call this document library Meeting Notes and write a short description about the site. I can specify what parts of the form are displayed as list columns on the SharePoint site. I'll just choose the default for now. I can always change what is displayed later. Everything looks good, so I'll publish the form template. Now, just before a meeting, I can go to our team site to access the Meeting Notes form template. To open a new form based on this form template, I click New. During the meeting, I fill out the form, and then click Save to save it to the SharePoint site. Now if I go back to the document library, I can see that my notes are already there. Wow, that was pretty easy. By using this sample form template, my team has a better way of creating and storing meeting notes.